Hey, Darren Wiener here. In this quick video, I will show you the examples of AI assistants, specialized AI assistants that run sales and marketing tasks or frameworks. Most of them they are based on frameworks that are shared by the best business gurus or business experts like Alex Hormozi, Russell Brunson, Dan Kennedy, this kind of expert. So let's have a quick overview. So School About page, it's a GPT to craft a perfect school about page that converts visitors into paying members in your school community. Then we have here ones to craft email sequence, welcome sequences, soap opera sequences from Russell Brunson, for instance. Here is one that can craft minutes meetings, very good ones with key actions, who is responsible, why it is important, what are the deadlines, what are the criteria to judge if the action is done or not, etc. These two are ones I use to transform a piece of text into a presentation, slides. One is more like bullets and the other is more like a speech. This one is used in order to transform any piece of knowledge into a process that can be implemented either by you or by a AI assistant. This one is used to craft knowledge base for GPTs, for AI assistants. This one is one that new members and AI leaders can use in order to craft the perfect introductions post for the community. So they can introduce themselves, who they are, their goals, their skills, what they expect from the community, and so on. Sales Code GPT, these two here are there to analyze sales calls and give advice, detect flows in the sales calls. This one is one to craft sales message using this framework by Russell Brunson, the who, what, why, how framework. This one is one that helps you to analyze a situation using this psychological framework. Transcript value extractor. I don't watch any YouTube video any longer. Now I have a YouTube video. I put the transcript in this AI assistant and it get me the key insight so that I can judge if the video is worth it. And I can use the value from the video for whatever I need. Unique selling proposition, a GPT to craft unique selling proposition that will make you stand out and convert more customers. YouTube description, yeah, it's pretty clear. Who's my base customer avatar? It's in order to find out for a given offer or given business ID, who are the potential good avatar. I have another one, which is one to think about and identify niches that are interesting for a given business ID. Darren's readability, Darren's rewriter. This is to copy my style on any text so that the text is written by the AI assistant the way I want it to be written, with my style, my tone, the way I speak. Epiphany Bridge stories, to craft stories using this framework by Russell Brunson, Epiphany Bridge. God of Image Creation, to craft prompts for Midjourney V6. Storyteller GPT, it's one that crafts stories using specific frameworks by George Ten, Grammar Hippie, very good guy. You should check out what he's doing. He has a very good course about storytelling. You should definitely have a look. Coordinator GPT, it's a super GPT that coordinates several AI assistants on specific tasks, judging if the task is compliant with the process quality metrics, and also giving tasks to several different, to a team of assistants to execute the process. Smart Shot GPT is a GPT that I use to choose among several options, which is the best. SDXL, it's one to craft prompt for stable diffusion, and this model, the XL 0.9, I don't use that much, this one. Big Goal Nader, it's one to craft a strategic plan to achieve a big goal that you provide it with. Audience Stacking, it's to create audience for Facebook ads, targeting audience for Facebook ads. Okay, let's forget about this one. Strategic Content in the Sales Navigator GPT, it's to basically craft a content strategy based on your business ID, the content pillars, and then the subject you can cover in your content strategy with the calendar after that. Positioning Resort is to nail your positioning so that you stand out. You fill the gap in the market to be different from the competitors and align with what the avatar expect to see or is ready to buy, want to buy. Image Startup is the one I use to craft emails. Belief Matrix, Copy Thinking Belief Matrix. This is one. These are two GPTs from a course by George Ten and Pedro Martins that helps you to identify the beliefs of the avatar. Either you submit the avatar or your offer, and it will create all the beliefs that this avatar has, positive, negative, and so on. And also it can analyze sales page and extract the beliefs that are targeted inside the sales page. It comes from a course that is called Belief Matrix, which is a really good one. I really advise you to have a look as well. Addictive lead magnet is to craft lead magnets using the Hormozy method frameworks. It teach in the book's 100 million leads. Contrarian Genius is one I created specifically to disagree with anything I put, anything I submit to it. So very good to do some kind of brainstorming, having different perspective. Thread Ninja, it's one to craft specific thread for X and X Twitter. Niche Finder, it's the one I talked about before. It's to identify the best potential niches for a specific business or business ID. Offer Architect is the one that crafts irresistible offer, executing perfectly the 100 million offer frameworks by Hormozy. Script Master is one to create scripts for video or YouTube Shorts or TikTok. The same here. I use a framework that is taught by one of the best specialists of writing scripts for short videos. Insight Architect is one that creates an extensive and comprehensive avatar profile for any offer you may have in mind or many business idea you may have in mind. The following one are specific copywriting GPTs, one to work on the unique mechanism, the other to work on big ID, the other to work on books. This one is to search for data and proof that can back up your, for instance, your bullet in the sales page or the claims you make in the sales page on the sales message. Here, this one is to write blog articles in a specific style, very concrete style, action-based, action-oriented, but optimized for SEO as well. Mimic style is one that an assistant you can use to mimic the style of any writer or any speaker. Storytelling Maestro is one that is specialized in using classical storytelling frameworks to craft stories that are interesting, following the framework, that are flowing, optimized to make the reader want to read more. Magic Prompt, it's one that can improve any prompts for LLM, large language models. So you have you can find many prompts. Sometimes the idea is good, but the prompt sucks. You put the sucking prompt in this GPTs, it will create a perfect prompt to make the ID executed in with a very good quality by any AI assistant or AI model like ChatGPT, for instance. Magic Offer Naming, it's once again a framework by Hormozy to craft offer's name or any name basically, but to make it like, compelling, attractive, curiosity rising. Mastermind GPT is one I use, which has several personalities working on a specific topic, challenging themselves and also arguing between themselves so that they can find different way of addressing a problem or subject. Very interesting when you brainstorm. Copywriting analyzer, basically it's a GPT. I provide it with the key concepts and rules of copywriting, and it is able to analyze and templatize content, analyze from a copywriting standpoint, but also create templates from anything that's in any copy, and also give you advice about your own copy. Metaprompt GPT, this is I love this assistant. This is the one I use to craft system prompts for assistants. Knowledge Base Wizard, this was the first GPT I used to craft knowledge base for assistants. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The three last one are not that interesting. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is an overview of the kind of assistant we are using in AI Leaders. If you want to have access to this kind of assistant to be able to implement them in your business and have these assistants run proven money making from inside your business, what you should do, go to School AI Leaders. The link will be there. Click, join, and I wait for you in the other side. You will see it's so much fun, and you will have crazy tools to grow your business without burning out. Cheers. Bye.